Hey y'all, I'm Hisha, the founder of the DIY Entrepreneurs and lead facilitator for Scale Up Sessions. With over 15 years of experience as a bookkeeper, started with QuickBooks Desktop and now specializing in QuickBooks Online, I've helped small business owners set up and manage their QuickBooks systems. I also teach QuickBooks Online for a local business accelerator program. And based on the experience that I've seen the entrepreneurs go through, I created Start to Scale program to provide trusted and practical insights to help you set up your QuickBooks Online system yourself and grow in the confidence of your business. Let's dive into today's topic and get started. Today, I'll be walking you through how to set up your products and or services in the QuickBooks Online system. Whether you're selling physical products or providing services, setting these up correctly is key for accurate invoicing, sales tracking, and of course, financial reporting. To get started, let's add a new product or service. So from the QuickBooks dashboard, you're going to go to the Sales tab and then click on Products and Services. Here you'll click New to create a new item. You'll have 4 options to choose from: inventory, non-inventory, service, or bundle. You want to select one that fits your business needs. For each product or service, you'll need to enter details like the product name. If there's a SKU number, you want to add that, especially that helps with inventory, and description, and of course your price. Getting these details right ensures that your invoices are accurate and your sales are tracked correctly. Next, you'll need to link each of these products or services to the correct income account. This step is crucial because it tells QuickBooks how to track your sales revenue. For example, if you're selling a product, you might link it to the sales of product income account. For services, you'll link it to the service income or whatever you named that account. This way, all of your sales data flows accurately into your profit and loss statement. Properly assigning your income accounts assures that your financial reports accurately reflect your business performance so that you can make informed decisions. I do advise against tracking everything as sales. You want to set up categories in all of your different income streams as different accounts on your chart of accounts so that you're able to collect that data and see what's your highest performing service or your highest performing product. Once your products and services are set up, you can easily manage and customize them. You can update details like the prices, the SKU numbers, or tax settings by editing the product. For businesses that handle inventory, it's going to be very important to keep your quantities up to date. You can also set reorder points to ensure that you never run out of stock. By keeping your product information current, you ensure, again, accurate financial records and avoid surprises with inventory management. So quickly, setting up your products and services correctly in QuickBooks Online ensures accurate invoicing, revenue tracking, and inventory management. You want to take the time to get it right. It'll save you a lot of hassle later on and give you informed information so that you can make the right business decisions. If you want to learn more with the detailed guidance on managing your QuickBooks financial system, join me at the QuickBooks Scale Up Sessions, where I walk you through the process of setting up your QuickBooks Online system yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.